Life has many troubles, and some of them are defined by climate. Maybe you are too hot on a summer's day and wish you could take all your clothes off. Or perhaps you are too cold during winter and can't even send a text because your hands are too shaky from shivering. Or how about having those dreaded night sweats and you can't turn on the air conditioner or AC because your wife has cold feet? What is one to do? Introducing the Aircon Watch. The Aircon Watch is a new, revolutionary product that will allow you to get that much-needed thermal satisfaction without disturbing a soul. You can warm yourself up or cool yourself down, even if you are out in the scorching sun or in a frigid winter's night. Doing any outdoor activity most times depends on the temperature and the climate. On the other hand, being inside all depends on if your heater or air conditioner is on and using up electricity. The Aircon Watch offers the convenience that you need by freeing you from an energy-wasting air conditioner, but never limiting you to the outside temperature, and all within the form of a small watch. The human body has a natural body temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, but depending on the weather and external temperature, our body responds by sending a signal to the nervous system, whereby the brain receives the signal, which gives the sensation that we are feeling at that exact moment. But what if we could change the signal that our nervous system sends to the brain by using the Aircon Watch to generate pulses of heat or cold? With this method, we can make our body start to feel more aware of the temperatures and thus stabilize our sensations. Imagine running your wrist through a stream of icy or warm water. This is the feeling that you will get from Aircon Watch. The secret is in the straps. It contains a small device that has within it our Climacon technology. This tiny device will fit on the inner wrist in an area where the nerves are closer to the skin surface so as to allow for maximum transfer of temperature. The watch can be used during any temperature, any season, or any time zone. If you suffer from night sweats, you can now finally have a cozy night. If you like climbing or outdoor photography, Aircon Watch could be your best friend. But one of the reasons why we developed this product was to help women during menopause. Menopause often has hot flashes, which can be extremely annoying to the extent where it becomes painful. But what if you could get some relief from a small device that emits a soothing, cool temperature? The Aircon Watch has been tested with more than 100 people and using several prototypes. Our experienced design team has worked for more than 2 years in research and development to improve Aircon Watch and reach the design and level that we are at today. Global warming is gradually destroying the Earth's entire ecosystem. So why not turn that AC off and turn on the Aircon Watch? It most definitely will help keep your pocket fuller and your body cooler.
Introducing Bee. Bee is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year, and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented Bee Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. Bee empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of the grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush, and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every Bee comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented Bee Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience brushing with Bee.
Your smartphone is one of the most powerful cameras ever made, but it's designed to fit in your pocket and almost impossible to hold steady, making your videos look like this. That's why we developed Flow Motion 1, the most versatile smartphone stabilizer. One keeps your phone perfectly steady, so you can capture smooth, shake-free videos, no matter where you are or how you move. Flow Motion 1 is built on high-precision motors and sensors. And with our custom-built electronics and optimized software, we have fine-tuned and maxed-out performance, instantly giving your videos a smooth, cinematic look, right in the palm of your hand. But it's so much more than just a stabilizer. The Flow Motion app is packed with powerful features like autofollow to track any subject, epic motion time-lapse, immersive panoramas, and live streams that are better than ever. With the app's Pro Camera settings, you get even more out of your phone's camera. Control everything from the grip and get the perfect angle with the joystick. And all of this fits in your pocket. Tell your best story, anywhere, at any time. It's time to put an end to shaky videos.
That was super fun.
This is addicting, for sure.
It was pretty easy. You just keep your stride going. It's nice.
Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aura Saifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aura Saifu to pay for everything. Store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but amazing hardware. Billions of dollars asset got hacked and stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aura Saifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to ensure 100% security over your asset storage and payments. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. Unlike traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aura Saifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology, which is totally off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and cryptos apps are still hackable when they got lost or stolen, but not with Aura Saifu. Aura Saifu wallet will self-erase your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your data will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery, you might ask? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aura Saifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the mnemonic words in a more secure and reliable way. We believe a wallet should not only be functional, but also be artistic. The Aura Saifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. It has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for palm. We are a company formed by scientists and top developers specialized in payment security and digital asset security. We are 100% confident about this product, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware. We just need your help to bring this project to the public. So join us today to create the future of payment.